have something I need to sort out. Tell me something. You know Charlie Chaplin?
Yes.
You know him? Are you Charlie Chaplin?
I think so.
You better be. But you're also Dr. Richard Bennett.
Definitely.
Thank you so much for joining me on Profile. You had to get some professional certification to be able to do what you now do, which is, and it's not recent, but you are the principal person in the security company, Border Patrol Security Company. How did this all start?
Well, it started from a couple of years ago. I used to go to like football matches, and I saw how the security was a challenge to everyone. And I myself had a team. It started from a football team, Border Patrol football team. So we said, but we can do the security and play at the same time. And I spoke to my players, and then we put in the security in place, and we see that it worked. So we start from there.
What year was that? You remember?
No, about a long time, man. About
20 odd years
about
ago.
20 odd years ago, yeah.
What did you have to do in terms of training and going to study to be able to be one of the best in the business?
Well, I was training different areas. I trained in maritime security, land, sea, and air. And I trained in static. And I was trained by the United States government in counterterrorism. So, you know, I'm well-rounded when it comes to security apparatus, but you still have to train yourself to have your own style, because everybody who pursue this, they are trained.
When you say your own style, what would you describe your own style to be?
Well, our thing a little bit different. So if people are satisfied with 100%, we will go like 120 to show you that you are really safe with us.
If you're going to be working on the ports, because I believe you work on the ports sometimes,
yes,
and where ships are, you would have to have a certain amount of pedigree. People have to view you in a particular way,
yes,
and that would come from the training and the studying that you got. And you did studies. You
yes,
studied at Caribbean Maritime University, University of the West Indies. Just run them down for me. What did you do, and where did you do it to be able to get your accreditation?
Well, I studied at the Caribbean Maritime. That time it was institution, now it's college. So I do logistics, supply and chain management. And I also studied at John Jay College in New York for the close protection specialist. And I studied at SAL to deal with the maritime, like deal with ships and to do scenarios and exercises. So right now as we speak, I am in charge of Tankwell ships in Rayabiono. Every 10 days I have ship. So I am the PFSO there, which is a professional security officer. So we deal with everything, the ship, where I am responsible for the ship until it leaves. And then I interface with Port Authority and the United States government.
What are some of the things that you must pay attention to in this job, where you are responsible for the ship until it leaves, until it sails, ship sail fast?
Yes. Well, you have to make sure that everyone is safe. A port is the gateway of a country. So you can't let in terrorists, you can't let in sickness like tuberculosis, anything you detect. You have to report to Ministry of Health or the police or so. So it's like you keep a watch on everything for the country.